Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you out there. Today, let me introduce you the Wolfgang GA420 Action Cam. 4K 60 frames, 24 megapixel Wi-Fi, waterproof underwater camera with 3.0 AIS stabilization and 8 times zoom. It's, for example, an helmet camera. Next, it comes with an external microphone, a remote control, and two 1350 mAh batteries, and an accessory kit. And this is a big accessory. We have here 4K 60 frames and 24 megapixel and 170 degrees adjustable wide angle. The GA420 sports camera has a built-in video resolution of up to 4K 60 frames and photo resolution up to 24 megapixel. The 170 degrees adjustable wide angle can freely expand or narrow the field of view, and it's waterproof by default. And dive mode. The GA420 underwater camera can be waterproof up to 10 meters without a waterproof case. Waterproof to 40 meters with the included waterproof case installed. The dive mode dramatically correct underwater colors, thus making our videos look more natural and realistic. And we have high quality accessories and a dual microphone. The GA420 Go sports camera, accessories are customized and high quality accessories with high quality materials, ergonomic design, comfortable touch, less resistance, and smoother when it mounted. The GA420 is equipped with an external noise cancellation microphone that can pick up clearly sound in noise environments. In this price range, of course. 3.0 EIS anti-shake and 8 times zoom is included. The GA420 helmet camera has an advanced electronic 6-axis ease anti-shake function, which greatly improves stability and smooth of the video. 8 times zoom allows us to create a video from a variety of different angles. And multifunction as a dash cam or webcam. The GA420 camera has features like loop recording, time-lapse videos, slow, fast motion, continuous shooting, etc. The GA200 has driving mode and inversion mode, which can be used as a car recorder, for example, too. So you see, it's a big Wolfgang GA420 camera here, with a good choice for entry-level waterproof camera systems. Of course, it is not for the professionals, because this is a beginner's action cam. But for the beginners, I think it's a really good choice. Because we make 4K 60 frames video and 24 megapixel photos, we can capture clear and smooth images, leaving the most authentic and stunning record of every moment. And with the EIS 6-axis stabilization, it is right. It makes a good job in anti-shake. It makes your shooting stabler, clearer, suited for a variety of shooting scenes. And waterproof level is really important for an action cam. The dual screen camera comes with a waterproof body, so we can use it in this style 10 meter waterproof. And it comes with a 40 meter waterproof case on top for easy underwater shooting. And this is really good fact behind an action cam. And you can directly get it with HDMI, micro HDMI. You can get the image and videos and so on, the data out of the camera directly to your computer, for example, or another device. Equipped with a 40 meter waterproof case, we can carry it with us and we enjoy all kinds of water sports. And we can make recycling scenarios. It contains a variety of scenarios to meet the shooting needs of cycling, climbing, or other sports. It's an action cam, for example. And of course, an action cam should be handled underwater shooting. The camera supports diving mode to capture underwater scenes with the native colors. We have a rich of combination of accessory, which we can use a remote control with a strap around our arm, for example. We can mount it on our helmet, for example. We can mount it on the bar of our bicycle, for example. And we can easily pair it. We download the iSmart DV2 app on the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Then we short press the power button to turn on the Wi-Fi while the camera is switched on. We turn off the data of our smartphone. Then we are going to Wi-Fi mode in our smartphone and pair each other. And after that, we should authorize our mobile phone prompts. Then we can enter by using the app to our camera, and then we can shoot, download, and share through the app. All is possible. The GA420 action camera needs to use a U3 high-speed microSD card. You can use a 32 GB up to 128 GB, and the SD card is itself not included, so you have to buy this separately. When we're using the camera for the first time, we should be sure to format the microSD card with the Format SD card function of the camera itself. And before opening or close the battery compartment, we should press the power button on the cover to do the ultra-tight design of the battery compartments. When we are going to use the camera remote control for the first time, we need to press the two buttons of the video recording and the photo shooting at the same time to activate the remote control. We can also turn it off by performing the same thread. When the GA4020 is connected to the mobile phone via Wi-Fi to use file transfer, we need to make sure that the Wi-Fi signal on the phone is not automatically switched, of course. And then we can download and we can control our Wolfang GA420 camera remotely by using our smartphone. Really cool, really good as a beginner's camera system here. This is the Wolfang GA420 action camera with a resolution of 4K and 60 frames per second. 4 megapixel Wi-Fi waterproof underwater camera here with 3.0i stabilization, 8x zoom. It's nice helmet camera with an external microphone and a remote control. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.
Nee,